You guys have been asking for this, a Mini 3 versus Nano Plus camera test at night. What is this like in low light between the two of them? The Nano Plus has that 50 megapixel f1.9 1/1.2 inch sensor, and it's fantastic at night. The Mini 3 Pro has a 48 megapixel f1.7 1/1.3 inch sensor, so both really similar. If we look here, you can see just how similar these are on actual camera specs. So both of these should be fantastic in low light. We've seen from the Nano Plus, which has fantastic low light nighttime capabilities, better than most bigger drones as well, such as the Air 2S, and even comes close to the Mavic 3. There is no doubt at all that the camera on the Nano Plus is excellent, and especially for that nighttime photography and videography, this was the winner in a lot of different categories. However, the software on the Nano Plus lets it down a lot, but it's great to see that these small 250 gram drones are now capable of getting daytime and nighttime footage wherever you are, wherever you want to travel around with these small 250 gram drones. In the past, we've always suffered with terrible nighttime video. But what about the Mini 3? The Mini 2 wasn't great at night, so has the new f1.7 on here at nighttime improved? So we're not doing the test like the other video where it was quite a well lit nighttime shot. This is a relatively dull street, not a lot of street lighting, and then we're going to compare both of them in a minute side by side, and let me know which one you think's got the edge. Obviously the Mini 3, using this controller, it's a really nice experience, but neither are bad at all. Onto the comparison tests, and this is the Mini 3, this is the Nano Plus. Nano Plus was filmed slightly earlier, so it's a little bit lighter in the sky, but both are brilliant, aren't they? I'm sure you'll agree. So if you pick up either of these, you are not going to be disappointed. But if you look at this image now, the top and the bottom, they are very similar, so there's not much in it at all. I can't even see a lot of differences between the two. They're almost pretty much identical. If we just take the fact that it was slightly lighter on the Nano Plus, if we just look at the side-by-side shots, both got nice dynamic range. I think the Mini 3 shots have got a little bit more punch and light to them, that f1.7 compared to the f1.9. You can just about tell the difference. But look, both of them are great. So it was a heavily requested video. Which one's going to win? And if I was being brutally honest here, I would say it's a complete tie. I can't give a clear winner because both are just excellent. I will be showing you as well a test between the Air 2S at nighttime and the Mini 3, and I think you'll be surprised at just those results as well. If you go and pick this drone up, or the Nano Plus, and you do a lot of nighttime video, you are going to be amazed at the quality. And this isn't in a city, this isn't really well lit, this is probably just in a similar town to where you live with just some street lighting. It doesn't really get much worse than this, and for that reason, both did an excellent job. If we look now at the photos, the Nano Plus has that 50 megapixel camera, and then the Mini 3 has a 48 megapixel. I find more detail, more natural looking, better quality shots, and in raw shots to bring the details up, the DJI Mini 3 seems to allow you to adjust these images a lot more to get more detail. So again, the Nano Plus and then the Mini 3, again, it's absolutely amazing what you can do with these small little drones in not a well lit area. If we punch in 300%, there's noise, but there's more noise on the Nano Plus, and also more of them shots were blurry, just like the cars there, out of focus. So overall, blown away, to be honest. Blown away at the capabilities of what you can do with these drones at nighttime, something which only a year ago was pretty much a no-go area. Mini 2, great drone, fantastic drone. Nighttime, not very good unless it was a really well-lit city, and just like the other big drones as well. So for that reason, these both need a pat on the back for their nighttime and low light performance. If you are picking the Mini 3 up though, then this is going to be the worst situation you could film in. If you go and film in a city, or just like the video I did a few days ago where I went to Blackpool, which was nicely well lit, you're going to get even better results. So a complete tie there. I would give the photos just on the Mini 3 there, but if you want to pick this drone up, then I'll link it in the description below. Overall, I am amazed at the quality of this drone and its capabilities. So I've done some camera comparisons there and comparing this drone to other drones. What I'm going to be focusing on in the next few videos is the features of this Mini 3 Pro. So the vertical video, the tracking capabilities, some cinematic video, but also let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see, if you want to see it against any other drones. I think this could well be my #1 drone, and that's even maybe over the Mavic 3. Take care guys, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.